विश्वाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये ज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुर्गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुस्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। कलत्रवन्तमात्मानमवरोधे महत्यपि
कलत्रवन्तमात्मानमवरोधे महत्यपि कलत्रवन्तमात्मानमवरोधे महत्यपि
अयामेने मनस्विन्या लक्ष्म्या च वसुधादिपः
तया मेने मनस्विन्या लक्ष्म्या च वसुधाधिपः तया मेने मनस्विन्या लक्ष्म्या च वसुधाधिपः कलत्रवन्तम् आत्मानं अवरोधे महति अपि तया मेने मनस्विन्या लक्ष्म्या च वसुधाधिपः अवरोधे
मेने
मेने मेने
मेने he thought himself, or else he was he was there with her, kind of a meaning will come.
Okay.
So this is
कह मेने वसुधाधिपः मेने कया सह मेने तया लक्ष्म्या मेने कथं भूता कीदृशी लक्ष्म्या मनस्विन्या लक्ष्म्या मेने
किं मेने कम मेने
कम मेने कलत्रवन्तम्
आत्मानं कलत्रवन्तं मेने
आत्मानं कलत्रवन्तं मेने
कस्मिन् सत्यपि
कस्मिन् सत्यपि मेने अवरोधे मेने कथं भूते महति अपि अवरोधे
महति अवरोधे सत्यपि सो सः वसुधाधिपः महति अवरोधे सत्यपि मनस्विन्या तया लक्ष्म्या आत्मानं कलत्रवन्तं मेने।
सः वसुधाधिपः महति अवरोधे सत्यपि मनस्विन्या तया लक्ष्म्या आत्मानं कलत्रवन्तं मेने।
So what is he saying is, so in a antapura, so if it is a king's palace, so normally the king doesn't, even though he is a grihastha, his lifestyle is not of an ordinary grihastha like us. In an ordinary household, the couple reside in the same, roof, under the same roof. So there will be not much, this thing. But if it is a king, and even in the Antapura, they have different places to stay. A king cannot be alongside his wife every time. So there will be different palaces or different places for them to stay. If even though queen being his wife, if she has to see him, first she has to send a message that she wants to see the king. And when the king agrees or when the king states which time, then only she can come. Vice versa, even with the king also. Even if the king wants to see the queen, he cannot go whenever he wishes without telling anyone. He has to send a message saying that, king wants to see the queen. Then queen will also, and even there will be different places assigned where they can meet. So a king cannot go without, notification into the queen's bedroom. So queen's bedroom is different from where queen and king will sleep together. That's a different bedroom. So their life is full of protocols. So there are many hurdles for them. So they cannot lead a life of a commoner. So it is very hard for the king or even the queen to have a relationship which is so emotional and which is so personal because of all these obstacles. It's very hard actually. People may think that leading a life of a king in those days was full of luxury. But if you actually go see the Arthashastra or other texts where they describe how a king and queen should actually be, or even go to some of the accounts where where they describe how the kings and queens used to be there and the protocols, it is very tiresome. After a period of time, you have no emotions left. So normally, a relationship is full of emotions, and it's full of trust and all that stuff. Where personal proximity is very important. So here, avarodhe, mahati avarodhe satyapi. And so here there are many avarodhas, that is hurdles, because of antapura varga. Because of there are many people around, it's very hard. So avarodhe, mahati avarodhe satyapi. The greater hurdles, even though despite greater hurdles, Vasudhadhipaha, so the king, Dilipa, Manaswini is a woman who is having a very strong mind. Dridhachittaya, Manaswini. Dridhachittaya. So she's having a very strong mind. That is, what in the sense of strong mind is her heart is towards, or her feelings are every time positive towards the king. And she thinks every time to be according to the king's thoughts. I mean, they both thought process are the same. So that is what is Manaswini here. And at times in this palace, in this life, what happens is many people will unnecessarily be trying to, how Kaikeyi's Mandara in Ramayana, how Kaikeyi pollutes the mind of Kaikeyi's mind is being polluted by Mandara. So in that way, many people will be there to actually pollute their thoughts. So there may be conspiracy theories being hatched. This could all be part of enemy strategy also at times. You may have spies in the form of your subordinates in the Antapura, etc. So this is a very complex game that goes around in the Antapura. So for a queen to have a very positive and transparent and very obedient, view towards her husband is very hard to actually achieve. But here, Sudakshina was very much towards, she was more of a pativrata. So with her Manasvinya, Dridhachittaya, Lakshmiya. So she is the form of Lakshmi Devi also. I mean, Lakshmi is nothing but a Sampada, right? Lakshmiya Taya Sudakshinaya. So with Sudakshina, King Dileepa thought himself to be Kalatravan. Kalatram is Bharya. The word Kalatra means Bharya. So he, despite all these hurdles, he felt that, or he thought that he himself to be having his wife with her. So Kalatravantam Mene. That means he being with her. So he made himself, there was no, the whole idea here is that there are no differences, or there is no mental distance, even though there could be physical distance between the couple, but mentally they both are together. And being Kalatravan, what is being Kalatravan? A person who has a wife is a Kalatravan. Okay. But here, it is more in a deeper sense. He definitely has a wife, because being a king, he can have many wives. He is a Kalatravan, but not only in the sense of physically, but even mentally also. So this shloka, in order to understand the whole sense, we need to understand how the royal life is so complicated. Unless we understand that, we cannot know the deeper meaning of this shloka here. So all crux is there in the expression called Avarodhe Mahatyati. So that depicts the kind of complexities and problems that the royal life has.
Kalatravantam. आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग कलत्रवंता शब्दस्य द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचनान्तं रूपम அப்போ கலத்திரவந்தாம்
இல்ல திருப்பி சொல்லு.
ಅಕಾರಾಂತ ಪುಂಲಿಂಗ
ತಕಾರಾಂತದ ಧೀಮಂತಂ
ತಕಾರಾಂತ ಪುಂಲಿಂಗ ಕಲತ್ರವತ್ ಶಬ್ದಸ್ಯ द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचनान्तं रूपम कलत्रवान् कलत्रवन्तौ कलत्रवन्तः कलत्रवन्तं कलत्रवन्तौ
कलत्रवतः
वतः आत्मानं नकारान्त पुंलिंग नकारान्त नपुंसकलिंग
आत्मन्
नकारांत पुंलिंग आत्मन शब्दस्य द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचनान्तं रूपम अवरोधे अकारांत पुंलिंग अवरोध शब्दस्य सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचनान्तं रूपम महति तकारांत पुंलिंग तकारांत पुंलिंग महत् शब्दस्य सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचनान्तं रूपम अपि अव्यय पदम तया दकारांत स्त्रीलिंग तत्शब्दस्य तृतीया विभक्ति एकवचनान्तं रूपम मेने
माने मा धातु मन 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 संबो अवबोधने अथवा मनज्ञाने
मनज्ञाने धातोः
आत्मनेपदे
आत्मनेपदे लिटि लिटि प्रथमपुरुष
एकवचनान्तं
प्रथमपुरुष एकवचनान्तं रूपं मनस्विन्या इकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग मनस्विनी शब्दस्य तृतीया विभक्ति एकवचनान्तं रूपं लक्ष्म्या ईकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग लक्ष्मी शब्दस्य तृतीया विभक्ति एकवचनान्तं रूपं च अव्ययपदं वसुधाधिपः अकारान्त पुंलिंग वसुधाधिप शब्दस्य प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनान्तं रूपम्
वसुधस्य अधिपः वसुधाधिपः Let's reset this shloka.
कलत्रवन्तमात्मानमवरोधे महत्यपि तया मेने मनस्विन्या लक्ष्म्या च वसुधाधिपः
तस्यामात्मानुरूपायाम् आत्मजन्मसमुत्सुकः
आत्मजन्मसमुत्सुकः तस्यामात्मानुरूपायामात्मजन्मसमुत्सुकः
विलम्बितफलैः कालं सनिनाय मनोरथैः
विलम्बितफलैः कालं सनिनाय मनोरथैः विलम्बितफलैः कालं सनिनाय मनोरथैः तस्याम् आत्मानुरूपाय आत्मानुरूपायाम् आत्मजन्मसमुत्सुकः विलम्बितफलैः कालं सह निनाय मनोरथैः निनाय
निनाय नीतवान् यापयामास so he spent time spent is the meaning what did he spend kam ninaya kalam ninaya he spent time actually taking is the meaning nayati so here it will be like spent we have to change it accordingly
कः निनाय सह कम निनाय कालं निनाय कथं भूतः सः आत्मजन्म समुत्सुकः तस्याम् आत्मानुरूपायाम् कैः निनाय विलम्बितफलैः मनोरथैः निनाय
आत्मानुरूपायां तस्याम् आत्मजन्मसमुत्सुकः सन् सः विलम्बितफलैः मनोरथैः कालं निनाय
आत्मानुरूपायां तस्याम् आत्मजन्मसमुत्सुकः सः विलम्बितफलैः मनोरथैः कालं निनाय
so आत्मानुरूपायां that means atma anurupa that means who is according to him atma means self right anurupa is accordingly so who is according to his wishes okay atma anurupayam or else who is maybe not according to wishes but who is anukulavati we call it as anukulavati right that means who is not contradicting everywhere is getting along with him right atmanurupayam tasyam means sudakshinaayam Atma Janma Samutsukah. So he is interested in Atma Janma. So his own Janma in her. So what is his own Janma? Again, how can he take birth in his wife? So Atma vai Putra Namasi. So we have this in the Aitreya Upanishad. Right? So a son is nothing, is considered to be the second or third, if I'm not wrong, it's the second birth of the father. Okay. So Atma, so the son is born as he himself is born in the form of son. It is what the Shastra says. So that is what is Atma Janma Samutsukah. So he wants to be born in his wife again. So Samutsukah, having that that enthusiasm. Saha. So he is being passing on time. Kalam Ninaya. How, with what? Manorathaihi. With Manoratha is what? Manoratha is desire. Wishes, wishing. What wishing? Vilambita phalaihi. Whose outcomes are delayed. That means his wishes are being delayed, are not being manifested. So that means whatever he is wishing hasn't manifested until now. So he is being in that state of, so what is he doing? He is wanting son through his wife, and he is spending his time hoping that he will be having a son.
Okay.
And that did not manifest until now. So that is Vilambita Phala. What is his Manoratha? What is his desire? His desire is to have a son, have a kid, or a Santanam. Okay? That is being Vilambita Phala. That means the outcome of that desire is being delayed. A desire whose outcome is delayed is Vilambita Phala. Okay?
Tasyam Dakaranta Strilinga Tachabdasya Saptami Bhakti Ekvachanantam Rupam Anu Atmanurupayam आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग आत्मानुरूपा शब्दस्य सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचनान्तं रूपम् आत्मजन्म समुत्सुकः अकारांत पुंलिंग आत्मजन्म समुत्सुक शब्दस्य प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनान्तं रूपं विलंबित फलैः अकारांत नपुंसकलिंग अकारांत पुंलिंग
because it is Bahuvrihi. Or, I mean, this is the adjective of Manoratha, right?
अकारांत पुंलिंग विलंबित फल शब्दस्य तृतीया विभक्ति बहुवचनान्तं रूपं कालम् अकारांत पुंलिंग काल शब्दस्य द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचनान्तं रूपं सह दकारांत पुंलिंग तच्छब्दस्य प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनान्तं रूपं निनाय
नीं प्रापणे
नी प्रापणे धातोः
लिटि
लिटि
प्रथमपुरुष एकवचनान्तं रूपं
लिटि प्रथमपुरुष एकवचनान्तं रूपं मनोरथैः एनर्जी निनाय
निनाय निन्यतुः निन्युः
निनाय निन्यतुः मनोरथैः अकारांत पुंलिंग मनोरथ शब्दस्य तृतीया विभक्ति बहुवचनान्तं रूपं
आत्मानुरूपायाम् आत्मनः अनुरूपा आत्मानुरूपा आत्मजन्म समुत्सुकः आत्मनः जन्म आत्मनः जन्म आत्मजन्म आत्मजन्मनि समुत्सुकः आत्मजन्म समुत्सुकः षष्ठी विलंबितं फलं येषां ते विलंबित फलाः तैः विलंबित फलैः
कर्मधार
दिस इज बहुरी
द्विपद बहु द्विपद बहुव्रीहि
Okay. Recite the shloka.
तस्यामात्मानुरूपायामात्मजन्मसमुत्सुकः विलम्बितफलैः कालं
Sanina.
विलम्बितफलैः कालं स निनाय मनोरथैः